Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to create boards on Pinterest. Maybe you are looking for a way to organize your pins, make a specific theme, or you just want to keep your content neat and tidy. So today I'm going to show you how to create boards on Pinterest. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Pinterest application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, tap on this plus icon at the bottom center of the screen. A window will pop up, and here, since you wanted to create a board, tap on this board icon. Now here, first enter the name of your new board. Make sure that it clearly represents the theme or topic of your board. For example, you are creating a board for the foods that you eat. You can name it Delicious Foods. Below, you can add collaborators to your board. You can also choose to make your board secret, which means that only you and the people you invite can see it. After that, tap on this next button. Here, you can start adding pins to your board. Simply find an image that you want to save to your board. Then after selecting the pins, tap on this done button. After that, you now have successfully created a new board on Pinterest. Remember to keep adding new pins to your board to keep it fresh and interesting to your followers. There you go. If you wanted to know how to create boards on Pinterest, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to create boards on Pinterest, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.